Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My friend and I are currently at VCA. I need to clean and polish my Frivole jewelry and I want to try some items. My friend also wanted to try some earrings and necklaces from Alhambra collection. I really like these earrings, they are so cute. I like that they're both in different colors. This is so cool. I also saw a ring like that, which I will show to you in a minute. What do you guys think about this? Actually, I haven't seen this color combination, but I think it's gorgeous. And here is the ring, in between the fingers ring, which is so stunning. I like the blue, it's really special, really beautiful. And I will also try it in different colors. I've seen it before with pink sapphires, which is stunning, and I think I featured it in one of my vlogs. By the way guys, I will link down all the videos in the description box below. I will link all VCA and Cartier vlogs as well, so you can check them out. By the way, this brooch is really pretty. It's so special. What do you guys think about it? I think if you wear it on a jacket, it will definitely stand out. I have never seen this one before. I think it's new, or maybe I haven't seen it for a year in the store. And here are the earrings with the mother of pearl. Somehow I think that the mother of pearl suits me better. What do you guys think? Maybe because of my hair color, it just looks better on me. It's quite simple, but I like it. And I like the shape of this, that it's not straight, it's perfect. And they are not very heavy at all. I like them a lot. I think I've seen the ring like that as well, but it's just not available in a store. But it's gorgeous to match it with these earrings. I will try this with pink sapphires. They are super cute as well, but I think the mother of pearl somehow looks better on me. What do you guys think? But I still like them. I think they're all gorgeous and they could look great with some of my pink or even red outfits. I do like these ones a lot. And also I wanted to try on this necklace and the earrings. Actually, my friend wanted to try on the necklace, but I wanted to check out the earrings. I will show you how all of this look on me. And I'm so surprised that they have these earrings in the store because they're pretty hard to get. Currently there is only one pair of this in Singapore and I'm still thinking about them. They are stunning and they look great with a necklace. My friend is trying it on, so beautiful. And it looks great with her Chanel bag. She's wearing Chanel beige classic flap, jumbo size with gold hardware. It just looks so good. It looks amazing on her skin tone and with this dress. It's stunning. And also my essay added a bracelet to show how you can wear your existing bracelet with this 110 motif. How cool is that? That's why I love VCA. There are so many ways you can wear this jewelry. It's like you buy one thing and you can have at least 2 or 3 different ways of how you can wear it. It makes me feel like I can keep the cost per wear low, which is very important for me. Otherwise I just can't justify the purchase. I feel very guilty and I feel like the money could be spent in a better way on something that I could use more often. Yeah, but this necklace looks incredible on my friend. I really like it. And also I finally managed to try on this Pearly bracelet in the extra small size. I filmed one of the videos before when I went to VCA and they only had it in a medium size, which wasn't perfect. It was so huge, and finally they have it in my size and it looks amazing. This bracelet is very light. It's pretty easy to take it off and put it on, which is a great thing. And you can't see scratches on it easily because of the diamonds there in the center, which is great. It's a beautiful bracelet. I definitely prefer it to the love bracelet, even the full diamond one. I prefer this Pearly bracelet. I think it's more unique. It's definitely easier to maintain it because you can take it off easily and it won't be scratched up. I also love how shiny it is. The way it's reflecting the light, it's incredible. It's really stunning. But yeah, I think even if you match two of them, white gold and yellow gold Pearly bracelets, they're gonna look incredible. I've previously posted some pictures on my Instagram channel. By the way guys, if you are not subscribed to my Instagram account, please feel free. I post pictures of my favorite jewelry, my bags, outfit ideas, what I wear. And sometimes I post pictures from my travels. Well, maybe not now because of the coronavirus, but I usually like to travel. Anyways, I think I'm so adding this bracelet to my wish list. It's so stunning, and I think I would remove the Cartier Love bracelet with diamonds because I feel like because you can't always take it off, it's just gonna get scratched, it won't be shiny anymore, and I just like to have a choice. Anyway, so there is another one without the diamonds, which is pretty thin. It's quite similar to my love bracelet, but I feel like it's not as pretty as the other one with diamonds. And the price of this one is very similar to the Cartier Love without the diamonds. It's like an alternative in case you guys are considering. And I do like the ring too, they do look nice. However, because I've just seen the one with diamonds, I can't move past it. It's so pretty. I feel like it's so much better. So if I were to add one, I would rather wait for longer and get the one I want instead of just getting any just because I want to have something now. I think if you watch my videos, you have noticed that I don't do impulse buying anymore like I used to maybe a year ago. I'm trying to change because I did buy some items that I ended up regretting buying, so I'm trying to be better at it and think much longer. And because also sometimes I even remove the items from my wish list, just like the love bracelet with diamonds, which I wanted for so long, but I just feel like it's impractical, and sometimes my current bracelet doesn't feel comfortable. Like, I want to be able to remove it. I can tolerate one love bracelet, but I can't tolerate two. I feel like they will bug me. They are kind of heavy, and both of them together will feel a bit tighter. And also, I can remove the scratches from my yellow gold bracelet with the Jules Rouge cloth. I posted a video about it before, and I will link it down in the description box below. However, I cannot remove these scratches from the white gold. So yeah, that's the thing. So can you imagine, my love bracelet will always be shiny, looking like new, and my white gold bracelet will just look scratched? I mean, yeah, that's why I'm very hesitant, and that's why I took so much time to consider whether I need it or not, and now I'm thinking about VCA more. I also like the fact that it's so beautiful and special, and that not many people have it, which is great, and not many people know how much it costs as well, which is a great thing. But yeah, anyway, this Frivole ring is gorgeous too. I really like VCA white gold. I think it's so special, and it looks incredible with diamonds. It's just perfect. My absolutely favorite combination. I also like how two of these items look together with the white mother of pearl in white gold. It's so beautiful. It's such a refreshing look. I like it quite a lot. I have this bracelet with white mother of pearl and yellow gold, and I always pair it with my Justin Clue and Cartier Love in yellow gold too. But it's nice to have a combination with white gold as well. I think I will add this item to my wish list. My friend is trying on this bracelet, but I actually prefer the yellow gold on her skin tone. It's just so much more beautiful. I will show you how two of these look on us. Here you go. Such a nice combination. I really love these bracelets. Pearly is so going on my wish list. I really want to get it next, but it's gonna be a while because the price tag is very hefty. But both of them are really stunning. I have quite a few jewelry, especially earrings in white gold with diamonds, and I think this bracelet would look incredible with them as well. And I decided to try on that necklace that my friend was trying. It's really pretty. What do you guys think about it? The only thing about this design is that it can get scratched very easily, and there's nothing that you can do to remove the scratches, so something to be aware of. But I still like it, and I think it's very special, and I would like to add it to my wish list, but it will have to go after all the other items that's been there for a while. And I'm yet to record this video about my wish list for 2020 and beyond. I made up my mind about all the items that I like, so yeah, it's gonna come very soon. I'm also gonna try Pearly earrings and show to you guys. And my essay gonna bring it for me, but meanwhile I'm looking at other beautiful jewelry in the store. And here is another zip necklace. I have previously showed in my other vlog one necklace, and I really like this design. These items are stunning. This ring is gorgeous. It's so special, and I do like the necklace as well. It's really beautiful. And there is more Pearly items, gorgeous rings. That ring would look amazing with that bracelet in the white gold that I showed to you. And also this pendant is super cute. This actually reminds me of Bulgari. I haven't seen this necklace before. It's gorgeous. And some more Alhambra. Beautiful items. Onyx items are still on my wish list. I think I would definitely want to add the bracelet next. But let's see, I might change my mind because I do want to add another pair of Alhambra earrings that I could wear every day for work, and just lighter size than what I currently have, what I previously unboxed. I will link down all the VCA unboxing videos in the description box below for you guys. I'm checking out the fine jewelry and waiting for my lovely essay to bring to me the earrings from Pearly collection, which are so stunning. I feel like they have to go on my wish list as well. And here they are, so beautiful. I will try them on and show to you. I really like the way they are reflecting the light. I like them on me too. They are actually not very heavy, but maybe if I wear it for a really long time I will feel the weight. But I do like the way they look on me. What do you guys think about them? This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.